Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to optimize Shopify image alt tag. Let's get started. In order to do that, what we can do is we can head over to our actual product wherein we have those images. So I have this image in here of a t-shirt. So let's head over and click on this specific media. And then once you have clicked on it, you can be able to see that we have this edit option. So click on this edit right here. And then this you can see in here actual image, and in here you can see the alt text. So you can see in here that on the alt text you can write a brief description of the file for people with visual impairment or low bandwidth connection. So you can click on this add alt text and you can actually head over and describe this product. Like for example, let's describe this as green t-shirt, basic, no design. So you can see something like that. You can describe the actual product. Make sure also that they use that actual keyword that you use on your product. So in here, my t-shirt name is actually just green t-shirt. So I just use this green t-shirt keywords right here. And I also describe the design, which is basic and no design. I can also add in plain in here. So head over, click on save alt text. And once you have saved that, it will upload right here. So just close this up. And then from in here, I can see that our actual t-shirt has been changed. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like or subscribe button to help reach more people. See you soon.